Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Box. I am Ashley. I am going to do another tree ring pour today. And the reason I'm doing this is because I had so much fun last time doing the tree ring pour. The challenge was based off of something from Lord of the Rings, and it says, all that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost, the old that is strong does not wither, and deep roots are not reached by the frost. So, tree, to me, is kind of like what popped out. So what I'm going to do is show that the outside of the tree is going to be kind of darker, greener colors, and then as you get towards the center of the tree, I'm going to do a gold. Now, the last time that I had done the tree ring pour, I used silicone. I did not use silicone this time. And I also thought it was really interesting how, depending on how I had layered it, I actually can control where it's going to come out. So I'm going to put that gold on the very top because that's going to be, or I'm sorry, on the very bottom because I want that to be my center. So I'm going to put the green on the very top because that's what's going to be pushed out towards that outside. So to get this effect, I am also going to be layering with black, not white this time. I want it to be nice and dark, but having those golds shining through. So, you know, trees are extremely old. This is the biggest, whitest tree ring that I could find, or tree stump. It's a big one. Honkin'. Look at this thing. So, I wanted to use this because to me that just shouted old, and it doesn't wither. I mean, it got chopped down, but it doesn't wither. And then also the deep roots are not reached by the frost. So I thought that it'd be kind of cool to have the gold being at the center because it doesn't get reached by the frost. I know the center of the tree is not the root of the tree, but to me it kind of signified the same concept. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you guys can see it's a lot of paint. Lots and lots and lots of paint. Oh, good golly molly. This is going to be interesting. Okay, so there's a lot of paint on here, so I'm going to put on some gloves really quickly. I always keep them nice and handy right next to everything that I'm doing. Now, I used pouring medium to thin out my paints, and it looks like that pouring medium is still creating some cells, but thankfully they're not ginormous cells that I just really won't like. So ideally, I think I'm going to try to keep this stuff right here because it still has a little bit of that green mixed in with the black. This didn't separate as much as this one did. So you guys can see that it really showed the metallic black, metallic black, metallic black, and then it just kind of started to pile together here. You don't really see a lot of black in this. So I want to keep more of this than I do this. So initially I'm actually going to pour off this way first. And I like to pour in a center or circular motion, so really I think that's actually quite important. Ooh, looks like I'm probably going to end up losing my green. Anyways, I have way too much paint on here to worry about it staying on. Ooh, I might be able to keep this though. Let's see if I can do that. I don't want to lose my center. There's just too many cool things about this one, honestly. Yep, my green's gone. So I'm just rolling in a circle. All right, so since all my green is gone, I actually am gonna pour straight from my cup, just a bit, and kind of follow along some of the stuff that's happened here. There we go. And allow it to mix in with that copper. Just be crazy about it. Don't do perfect lines or anything like that, because this is a circular pour, so perfect lines are literally impossible. So there we go. Just a little bit of green. I don't want a whole bunch of it, so I think this works out quite well. And I'm allowing that copper to be mixed in with it. Okay, and then I don't want to take the torch to it because I feel like that's going to bring about too many cells. So I'm just going to take a heat gun. And the reason I took the heat gun is just to pop the little bubbles. The blowtorch, it would do the same, but because it's such a strong gust of wind, it would actually blow the lines too, and I don't want that to happen. So, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comments below. If you guys have tried something and found that something works better, let me know as well. I'm very open to suggestions. And if you guys want me to do any videos on specific techniques or tricks, let me know. You guys can follow me, like and subscribe, or follow me on social media, and I look forward to connecting with you guys. Have an awesome day!